Before there were drones in the sky or gadgets in the blind, there was instinct. Pure, trained, loyal instinct. Out on the wild American plains and across the rolling green hills of the UK. A hunter wasn't worth his boots unless he had his bird dog by his side. They didn't just find the birds. They read the wind. They walked the line between wild and obedient. These dogs were part tracker, part partner, and all heart. Vaquero Artisan here. Here are 10 bird dogs for outdoor hunting. Number 1, English settler. Origin, England, 1500s. Where to buy? AKC. Marketplace, the Kennel Club, UK. Interesting fact, settlers earned their name from how they set low to the ground to mark birds, allowing hunters to cast nets before firearms. Back before firearms, they sent out a hawk, usually a red-tailed hawk or a brown feathered hawk. Number 2, English pointer. Origin, England, 1600s. Where to buy? Gun dog, breeders, field clubs. Interesting fact, their laser-like focus makes them one of the fastest pointers in the game, built for heat and long chases. Number 3, Labrador Retriever. Origin, Newfoundland, perfected in the UK. Where to buy? Local breeders, shelters, and Labrador clubs. Interesting fact, originally bred to haul fishing nets, Labs are now the world's most popular retriever for that reason. Number 4, Golden Retriever. Origin, Scottish, Highlands. Where to buy? Certified breeders and retriever rescue groups. Interesting fact, their water-based coats and soft mouths make them ideal for retrieving game birds without damaging them. Number 5, Irish settler. Origin, Ireland. Where to buy? Sporting breeders and shelter clubs. Interesting fact, known for their stamina and style. They were once used to hunt across wide moors and thick brush. Number 6, German short-haired pointer. Origin, Germany. Where to buy? Versatile dog breeders, GSP clubs. Interesting fact, a Swiss knife of bird dogs. Pointers, tracks, and retrieves on land and water. Number 7, Brittany Spaniel. Origin, France. Brittany region. Where to buy? AKC dog breeder clubs or Brittany rescue clubs in Brittany. Interesting fact, they're small but mighty, fast, agile, and they go-to dog for upland birds, like quail and goose. Number 8, American Cocker Spaniel. Origin, United States. Where to buy? Cocker Spaniel clubs and certified breeders. Interesting fact, once dominated the bird dog trails of the United States, blending beauty with a drive for the field. Number 9, English Springer Spaniel. Origin, England. Where to buy? Sporting dog breeders. Interesting fact, they spring onto birds and cover them, and they're still favorite from the United States to the UK. Number 10, Weimaraner. Origin, Germany. Where to buy? Weimaraner clubs. Interesting fact, these gray ghosts have a regal look and a nose for tracking. Initially used for larger prey and now skilled for upland hunters. Out there in the field, it's more than just birds and buckshot. It's trust. It's knowing that when you spin your command out there in the field, it's more than just birds and buckshot. It's trust. It's knowing that when you send your command across the field, a loyal partner hears it and acts. From Scotland to Mississippi, from heather fields to muddy banks, bird dogs still hold the line. Vaquero Artisan here. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what is your favorite bird dog breed. Also in the comments below.